the long O vowel sound. Okay, so the next 3 lessons we're going to be focusing on a long vowel sound O, and there are 6 different sounds which can make the O sound. Okay, so we've got the O and A letters together in words can make the O sound. O, O, O. Everybody say O at home. Okay, so let's put the long vowel sound O into some words. But before we do that, remember when we say the O sound, our mouth is open and it's not being obstructed by any parts of our mouth like lips, teeth or tongue. It's an open sound. O. Okay, so our first word is boat. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. Last week I was on a boat, okay, a ferry boat. B-O-T. Boat. 4 letters and that has 3 sounds. B-O-T. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds, 4 letters for boat. Okay, next one we have there is throat. Throat. R-O-T. Throat. R-O-T. Throat. Okay, so we've got the TH making the sound, the long vowel sound O as well. R-O-T. Throat. My throat is hurting. Maybe you have a sore throat, maybe you're ill. R-O-T. Throat. Super, and our last one is approach. Approach. A-R-O-Ch. Approach. Okay. A-R-O-Ch. Approach. I will approach the camera. I'm coming to the camera. I will approach it. A-R-O-Ch. Approach. Okay, so how many letters does approach have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? A-R-O-Ch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got a double consonant here, just making the P sound. O and Ch. A-R-O-Ch. Approach. Super, so now let's say them all again together at home, like always. Say it with me so you're practicing. O, O, O. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. Throat. F-R-O-T. Throat. And approach. A-P-R-O-Ch. Approach. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.